Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin inside WhatsApp. Make sure the app is updated so settings match what I describe. Open a chat, then tap and hold the microphone icon to start a voice message. This initiates recording and reveals quick controls. While holding, slide up to lock hands-free recording if you need longer takes. Once done, don't release immediately. If you want to cancel, slide left to delete instead. These first steps get you into the recording flow quickly and avoid accidental sends. Now refine how you record and preview. If you lock the mic, you can use the pause button to split takes and review. This matters when you need precise phrasing. Make sure to tap play to listen and use the waveform preview to spot silence or noise. If WhatsApp offers 1x/1, 5x/2x playback, try 2x to verify content quickly. These middle steps let you control quality and length so you send clear, intentional voice messages instead of rushed audio. Finish by reviewing and tapping send. If you changed your mind, tap delete or slide left before releasing to discard. For persistent issues, go to Settings, Storage and Data to manage downloads and conserve space. Low storage can break recordings. Also check privacy or app permissions to ensure WhatsApp can access your microphone. If recordings still fail, restart the app or device. This clears temporary locks. One key tip: grant mic permission and restart if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.